Welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to introduce you to a new feature called masking in Titan using word add-in. So let's get started. What we're going to do is we're going to get a field, and the field is going to be order number in Salesforce. So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 as the value. So let's go ahead and insert it. Bringing it back from opportunity, give it a little comment, add order number, insert, and then good. Last thing I want to do is make sure it's not underlined, and then we'll refresh. And I'm just going to bring this back, make sure that the data is working successfully. Save, done, preview now, and it's there. There's my data. So this is all good. This is working. Very happy about that. Now what I want to do is show you this feature called mask. So if I edit this field again, you will find this feature under the format. Okay, here, mask. You got a few different options. You've got custom and predefined. First we'll do, actually let me show you custom first. So I know this has got 8 characters, so I can do something like this. I can do 1, 2, 3, I can do 1, 2, hyphen, and then hyphen another 2, and then hyphen another 2, and then close bracket. Okay, now watch what happens if I preview this now. Look at that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in that masking feature. So you can do this multiple different ways, it's up to you. Again, so if I go back here now and I can even do standard brackets if I want. I can just do like this, 4, and then I can even add a pipe like that, like this, apply, save, and then if I preview now, like this, okay? So that's another option. Again, it's completely up to you. So that's what we called predefined. Custom. What I want to talk about is predefined now. So predefined you can do like this. So you can say 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, sorry. So you can say 4 numbers followed by a space of a hyphen. Alright, and click apply, save, and I'll show you. So now this has got 4 numbers and 4 numbers, and it's coming from the right side. So that's how that's done. And then if you were to do this again, but this time I want to show you like this. So if I configure format, we'll do every 2 numbers, and we'll do a comma, and we'll bring this from the left. Okay, so let's preview. Alright, now you can see there's that comma, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then it's coming from the left. And then if I edit this field again, and this time you can do, let's do 3 numbers, and then we'll bring it from the right side. So we'll preview. Okay, now you can see 12, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's coming from the right, and we'll then do left. Preview now. And you can see now it's coming from the left. The 7, 8 have appeared here. 6, 4, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Previously it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7, 8. And that's how you do it. That's the masking feature within the word add-in itself with 2 custom or predefined.